Hey everyone, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jake. If you've ever felt nervous about going to the doctor and speaking English, don't worry, we've got you covered.
Yep, in this episode, we'll walk you through a full visit to the doctor's office, starting from the moment you walk in all the way to talking about your symptoms and getting advice.
And we're going to use slow, natural English with useful words and real phrases, so you can speak with confidence, even if you're feeling sick.
Let's imagine this. You're not feeling well, you walk into the clinic, the first person you meet is the receptionist. Time to check in.
Right. The receptionist is the friendly person sitting at the front desk. They'll ask you a few questions.
Like, do you have an appointment? What's your name? What's your date of birth? Can you please fill out this form?
All right, let's do a short role play. I'll be behind the desk.
Okay, I'm the patient. Here we go.
Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I do. It's at 10:30. My name is Sophia Green.
Great. Can I have your date of birth?
Sure. It's March 14, 1995.
Thank you. Please take a seat. The doctor will call you soon.
That was simple and easy. Now, let's explain some of the key words.
Appointment means the time you planned to meet the doctor. Receptionist is the person at the front desk. Fill out a form means write your information on paper.
And date of birth, that's the day you were born. Say it like this: March 14, 1995.
You might also hear, please wait in the waiting room. The doctor will call your name. Please bring your ID and insurance card.
Now, let's repeat some useful phrases together. Do you have an appointment? My name is Sophia Green. My date of birth is March 14, 1995. I'd like to see a doctor. Please take a seat.
Nice work! Saying these out loud helps your brain remember them better.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep practicing. Even 5 minutes a day helps.
In part 2, we'll go into the doctor's room and explain how to talk about your symptoms, what hurts, how long, how bad. That's a big one.
Ooh, yeah, the fun part. I can't wait.
All right, see you in the next part. Welcome back, friends. Now that Sophia has checked in at the front desk, she's been called in to the doctor's office. Let's listen to what happens next.
Hi, thanks for seeing me today.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I've been feeling really tired the last few days. I also have a bad headache.
How long have you had the headache?
It started 3 days ago. I thought it would go away, but it hasn't.
All right. Do you have any other symptoms, like fever, cough, or sore throat?
Actually, yes. I've had a sore throat since yesterday. And I feel a bit hot. Maybe I have a fever?
Okay, let's take your temperature. Yep, you've got a slight fever. Nothing too high, but it's there.
Oh no, I knew it! I've just been feeling so tired and blah.
Blah. That's a great real-life word when you don't feel good but don't know how to explain it.
Exactly. Like low energy, not hungry, just want to stay in bed.
Let's go over some useful ways to describe how you feel. I feel tired. I have a headache. I feel weak. I have a sore throat. I have a fever. I feel dizzy.
Oh, I also felt a little dizzy this morning. Like when I stood up quickly, the room spun a bit.
Great example. If you ever feel dizzy, it's good to mention that to the doctor. Say, I feel dizzy when I stand up.
Let's do a short role play again. The doctor asks,
What are your symptoms?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you had them?
For 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so.
Perfect. Simple and clear. That's how doctors like it.
It helps to say when something's started, like since yesterday or for a few days.
Exactly. And if you don't know the exact day, that's okay. You can say, I think it started 2 or 3 days ago, or I don't remember exactly, but maybe Monday.
Also, if it hurts a lot, you can say it really hurts or it's very painful.
Or even, it hurts when I swallow. It hurts when I breathe deeply. Those little details help a lot.
Let's repeat some full sentences together. I have a sore throat. I feel tired and weak. I've had a headache since Monday. I think I have a fever.
Good job, everyone. Don't be shy. Say it out loud with us. Really say it.
The more you speak, the more confident you'll become, and soon talking to a real doctor in English will feel easy.
Coming up in Part 3, we'll learn how to answer common medical questions, understand test results, and talk about medicine.
Ooh, medicine names are always tricky. But we've got tips for that too.
Stick with us. You're doing great. Welcome back to the Chill English channel. So far, we've talked about symptoms and how to describe how you feel to the doctor. Now, let's continue the story.
Right. I just had my checkup, and now the doctor is looking at my test results. I'm a little nervous.
You're doing great. So, here's what the doctor says. Your temperature is a bit high, and your throat looks red. It seems like you have a mild infection, probably a sore throat caused by a virus.
Oh no, that explains the headache and tiredness. But it's not serious, right?
Nope, it's something small. You just need rest, lots of water, and some medicine to help with the symptoms.
Phew, that's good news. But when doctors start naming medicine, I get confused.
Me too sometimes. But don't worry. Let's break it down. The doctor might say something like, I'll give you something for the pain and fever. You can take paracetamol every 6 hours. Or, this medicine will help your sore throat. And maybe you don't need antibiotics, just rest and fluids.
If you don't understand, it's totally okay to ask. Like, can you repeat that, please? Or, how do I take this medicine? Do I take it with food? How many times a day?
Exactly. Let's repeat a few important phrases. Do I need to take this with food? How often should I take it? Can I take this at night? What are the side effects?
Side effects? Those are the possible problems a medicine might cause, right?
Yep, like feeling sleepy, upset stomach, or dizziness. If you hear the doctors say this may cause drowsiness, that means it might make you sleepy.
I always ask, is it okay to drive after taking this?
Smart question. Let's practice a little dialogue. You have a mild throat infection.
Do I need antibiotics?
No, just some medicine for pain and fever.
Okay. How do I take it?
1 tablet, 3 times a day, after meals.
Clear and easy. That's how we like it. Also, doctors might say, drink plenty of fluids or get lots of rest. That just means drink water and sleep more.
It's true. Doctors love to say that. All right, let's do some shadowing practice. I'll say it, and you repeat. I have a sore throat. I feel dizzy when I stand up. I don't understand the medicine. Can you explain it again? How many times should I take it? Do I need to take it before or after meals?
Nice job, everyone. The more you repeat these sentences, the more natural they'll feel when you really need them.
Coming up in part 4, the final part, we'll talk about checking out, follow-up visits, and tips to sound natural when visiting a doctor in English.
And I'll tell you what I really think of those cherry-flavored cough syrups.
Yikes. Let's just say learning English is easier than drinking that stuff. See you in part 4.
Welcome back. We've talked about your symptoms, tests, and medicine. Now it's time to finish the visit and check out.
After the doctor's advice, you usually go back to the receptionist to make sure everything is set. Sometimes you need to pay or schedule a follow-up visit.
Right. The receptionist might say, "Do you want to make a follow-up appointment? Your total is $50. Will you pay by cash or card?"
Let's practice those phrases. Can I make a follow-up appointment? How much do I owe? Can I pay by card? Where is the pharmacy?
Oh, yes, the pharmacy. That's where you get your medicine.
Exactly. Sometimes it's inside the clinic, sometimes outside. If you don't know, just ask, where is the pharmacy?
Now, a few tips to sound natural when visiting the doctor. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about mistakes. Use simple sentences. And always say please and thank you.
Good manners go a long way. And if you don't understand something, say, could you please repeat that? Or, can you explain that again?
If you want to sound more natural, you can use short answers like, "That's fine. I understand. Thank you very much. I appreciate it."
Also, it's okay to ask questions. Good questions show you care about your health.
Here are some useful questions. When should I come back? Are there any side effects? Can I eat normally? Is it okay to exercise?
Let's repeat these together. When should I come back? Are there any side effects? Can I eat normally? Is it okay to exercise?
Finally, if you want to explain your feelings, you can say, "I feel better now. I'm still a little tired. I'm worried about..."
And don't forget to thank your doctor and receptionist before you leave. It feels good and is polite.
Thanks for listening to this episode. Keep practicing these phrases and you'll feel more confident next time you visit the doctor.
Remember, everyone, health is important, and speaking English about it will help you take better care of yourself.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep improving.
See you next time on the Chill English channel, where learning English is easy and fun.